Kia ora and malolele ko kuingoa ko TEMA. I'm a singer-songwriter based in Central Auckland, and this is my Ka Mua Ka Muri. When it's nighttime and I'm right by the window where we used to sit, fresh in my mind, I saw the street light we played under when we were kids. Clock had struck 9. It was home time, but I wasn't gonna leave you yet. Then we locked eyes and we decided we never wanted to forget. Don't forget, and that easy feeling when daylight is dawning, 'cause I never wanted to stop. And that simple feeling when I hear you calling, so here I am falling in love all over again. All over again. Now we're older, and I walk over to where our story first began. More than lovers, and since that summer, you'd always be my first best friend. And if I'm being honest, there's no one I'd promise my world to other than you. And when I hear you coming, I find myself wondering, saying, ooh, other than you, to give me that easy feeling when daylight is dawning, 'cause I never wanted to stop. And that simple feeling when I hear you calling, so here I am falling in love all over again. All over again. Don't you know that lately I've been going crazy? 'Cause I never thought that I could fall in love more than once. From friends to lovers, there could never be another to give me all the things you can, 'cause you're more to me than just my man. And nighttime is the right time to fall in love. Feeling when daylight is dawning, would describe my style as, well, I would say that it's very much influenced by alternative R&B. There are probably, I would say, some pop influences. One artist locally that I draw a lot of inspiration from is Aradna. You know, pretty much every Pacific Islander or every poly girl grew up listening to Aradna's voice either on the radio or family members were playing it in the house. And I know a lot of her discography. So when she was starting out, her music was more like old 2000s R&B. And then when you get to treble and reverb, she was kind of exploring singing the blues. And then recently, she's been exploring how she can incorporate spirituality in her music, which I really think is really cool. And again, I guess she's really someone that I can look up to, being another Polynesian female artist from Aotearoa. Since I was little, she's what I looked up to growing up.
Ain't it funny how I used to be the one to call your phone? Now all I wanna do is be alone. Guess it's funny how time really changed me. Funny how I used to be the one to say I'm sorry when I knew that I did nothing wrong. You still blame me 'cause I wanted you to stay. Picking up the pieces, trying to figure out what pieces, when you never gave a reason, and all I want is to be wanted. Am I not what you wanted? It's kinda hard to put up a front, saying I will never need nobody. Guess it's funny 'cause I promised myself at the start that I would never let you change me. But you changed me, 'cause all I wanted was you. Now I'm picking up the pieces, trying to figure out what pieces, when you never gave a reason, and all I want is to be wanted. All I want is to be needed. Say you want me, say you need me, say you love me. All I want is to be wanted. Or am I not the girl you wanted? Say you want me, say you need me, say you love me. All I want is to be wanted. Or am I not the girl you wanted?
There are two sides of Auckland that I think of. And one side is obviously the city, where there are a lot of people, cars, buses going. And then there's that part of Auckland that it doesn't seem like it's Auckland, if that makes sense. It's more, I guess there's a lot of farmland the sounds of the lives of different people, whether you hear someone talking on the phone or you hear a bus going, or I guess you hear some birds chirping. Yeah, it just sounds like 1,000 different sounds being at the same place in the same time.
Rainy days seem better when I'm with you. When there's no one else to turn to, and I'm no stranger to the pain that comes with loving you. We can't be friends. No, don't say we're friends tonight, 'cause friends don't pretend. When will you realize that it's true? I don't wanna lose. I can't stay mad at you. I won't be mad at you. And I don't wanna choose. You won't be number two. Just offer me the truth. All that you've been through, I can only offer love. When the stars come out at night, am I the one you're thinking of? Oh, 'cause rainy days seem better when I'm with you. You're the only one that I can turn to, and I'm no stranger, so don't act like I'm a thing to use. We can't be friends. No, don't say we're friends tonight, 'cause friends don't pretend. And I'm looking in your eyes. Won't you tell me that it's true? I don't wanna lose. I can't stay mad at you. I won't be mad at you. And I don't wanna choose. You won't be number two. Just offer me the truth. Can't stand the rain without you next to me. Nothing's the same, and I will not wait till your mind understands what I wouldn't do for you now. And it's true, I don't wanna lose. I can't stay mad at you. I won't be mad at you. And if I had to choose, I'd rather be with you. Just all I wanna do. 'Cause rainy days seem better when I'm with you. when there's no one else to turn to. And I'm no stranger to the pain that comes with loving you. My hope for the future of artist scene here in Taamaki, I'd love to see more, I guess, Polynesian artists, female artists, who don't usually take the usual R&B hip hop route. They're not female artists, and I'm not sure if they're from Taamaki, but a really good example is Shepherd's Rain. You know, Samoan heavy metal band. It's really cool. I was, it's something that I find really cool. And I don't usually listen to heavy metal. That's just a really good example of Polynesian artists going out of the typical hip-hop and R&B, at least here in Taamaki. I'd love to see maybe more Polynesian country artists or Polynesian indie artists from here, because I enjoy a very wide range of genres, and I would love to see more of us in the different genres that I enjoy outside of R&B and outside of hip-hop. So, that would be really cool to see.